Hello everyone, this is just Deep. Welcome to Just Review, and as I said in my last video, I'm going to switch over to Nokia 105, and this is the unboxing and first impression of the phone. And I'm going to completely switch over to this phone from a Realme X, which is, if you don't know, it's a Android 9. Fairly good phone. If you want to see a review of it, and then you can click on the corner and take a look. Let's see if I can unbox it with my PUBG what do you call it? Car 98. Oh. Oops, nope. Let's try. Gonna get the knife soon. Here. Here's the phone. Very light. Hope it's reminding you of your childhood, maybe. So classic Nokia charger. Okay. That's the battery. Okay, nothing else in the box. Okay, if it is, then it's great then. Nice. But what would be the best thing if we had this phone? Oh, nice. So English. Boom. Clock. What's the time now? Oh, I need to enter the SIM. So basically it still needs a full SIM, as you can see here. So luckily I had this. There you go. So most probably I'm gonna use it as long as possible, and I'll let you know in the next video how was it, if I can survive on this or not, and if it's usable enough or not. And clock. Auto update on. Okay. Right, it didn't. Menu. Oh, there are some games. Calendar, calculator, messages. I don't have it free, so can't really use it. Let's see if we have hotspot. Tone setting. Okay, I think you all want to hear this tone. Come on. Like this. Okay, come. And time setting, call setting, phone setting. Security, go to settings, restore. Okay, I don't think so. It's gonna have any hotspot. Option. Security settings Oh, it's difficult to use anyway. I will get used to it for sure, yeah. Okay, so this is what it is at the moment, and yep, I'm gonna use it and let you know how was it and what I could find in this phone, and if anyone wants to use it, if they can use it on daily basis or not. Yeah, obviously some people can, which do not need a smartphone, but obviously most amount of people, they cannot, because yeah, these days people are heavily dependent on smartphones. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll give you an update on this phone, how was my experience, if it's worth it or not. Even if it's not worth it, this phone just cost 20 euros. It's good for your collection, for emergency phone, and if you break your phone, then you can put the SIM in this phone and at least receive the calls. And as far as the battery goes, I will assume like it's gonna go for a long time. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll give you an update, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and have a wonderful day.